In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brochure using canva.com. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a username and password. You may use your Gmail account to log in. And you log on. And once you log in, you will go into a menu. Now, my screen looks different from yours because I already have some brochures created, but you will have a Create a Design button, and you will click on Create a Design, and you'll notice that you can do lots of great things with Canva: blogging, marketing materials, social media, and so on. We're going to use the brochure version of this, and once you click on brochure, you will notice that you get a variety of templates that you can choose from. Now, the ones that say free are great to use, but the ones that don't say free, there is a charge for them. So there are plenty of free templates that I think are really great. So you can choose any that you like. And I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to choose this trifold. And here it is. And I'm going to add a new page because this trifold is going to be 2 pages. This is the back, and this will be the inside of the trifold. Now, obviously, the brochure is going to be on the topic of identity theft, so I'm going to delete some of the images that they have here, and I'm going to add my own images. I like this font, so I'm going to replace Fellowship with Identity Theft. And here I recommend you add your name. Just for your information, this is the front of your trifold, this is the back, and this is the side that folds in. The second page is the inside portion of the trifold. So now you're going to start entering information, and if you like the font and the setup, then you can keep it and you just simply replace it with your information. If you do not like the font, you can go up to the top here by this ribbon and you can change the font as you like. Or again, you can leave it. You can change the size. You can also change the color. If you click on it, you can change the color. You can also bold it, italicize it, and if you want to create a list, you can do that as well. Now, one of the things that you need to do with this brochure is you need to add images. I also want to point out the left side of Canva. Here you have background. You can change the background of your brochure. You can add text boxes. So, for example, our second page is completely blank, so we may want to add some text boxes. Here's a subheading. And you can move your text boxes any way or anywhere you like. You can also create body text. So if you have a subheading and then you want to add some text, this is where you would add the body of text. And you can change the layout, but we're not going to do that because we're happy with our layout. And the other thing that we want to do is we want to upload some images. And if we go to upload your own, what I recommend you do is you go to Google and upload some images, save them, on your computer, and then you can upload them. And you notice I've already uploaded some. So I'm going to click on the image, and I can move the image anywhere I like. I might want to have that here by my cover. And if I would like, I can move my text and make it look appealing. Another function of Canva is you can share your document with someone else. So let's say you're working on an assignment with another person. You can share it and you can work on it simultaneously. And again, this project, the identity theft brochure, you're working on your own, so therefore you don't need to share it with anyone. So once you're done with it, okay, you've completed it, you have all your texts, you have your images, and you are ready to submit this brochure. Then what we would do is we go to download, and you're going to save it as a PDF, and you're going to click on download. Now at this point you're going to get this screen, and it's going to ask you one of the elements that I picked, and I believe it was my trifold. There was a charge for it, and there's a one-time charge of $1, or you can download it as a watermark, and that's okay. I'm okay with the Canva having a watermark on it, so I'm going to download again. Click on PDF. Once you click on download, you will get this message. You can download it as a Facebook post, on Twitter, or via email. But if you look at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, you will notice that your file is sitting on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And now I'm just going to upload it. And it is called Fellowship because that was the theme of the trifold, but I could have changed my name to the topic of identity theft, but I chose not to. So this is my PDF, and at this point I can print it or I can download it to a special drive. And that's all there is to Canva.